Hello, this is your friendly nurse and health coach, and I'm coming today on the healthy alternatives of food, frying, oil, lard, or grease. The healthy alternatives of it. Remember, we said the high boiling point of frying, deep frying, and these oils give off these toxic chemicals, and they add a chemical hexane, which is like gasoline and diesel, and that gives off more toxic chemicals. The more they heat these oils up to refry your stuff at these fast foods, and they redo this, and some of them use the same oil from one day to another day, or the same oil all day long. They heating it back up for your French fries, hamburgers, and all your fast food stuff. These hexanes, bad gasolines, diesel chemicals are in these uh, foods as they cook them. It's called oxidation process that goes and they keep heating up these chemicals. These chemicals is being refined as they heat it up. It's being degummed, what they call degummed. It's being neutralized. It's being bleached, as they call it. It's being deodorized. It's being de-waxed, as they call it, and it's removing all kind of good stuff, and it's replacing with these toxic chemicals in your food. The more they cook these foods for you and heat them up more, the oils from day to day to day. So the best oils that we had said was the saturated oils that can stand under these pressure of these high heating oils. These saturated uh, oils are in a straight line. They don't bend. No spaces in between the carbon and the hydrogen molecules in it. So it can stand, and they more natural, and they better for your health. And that was coconut butter. Butter itself is natural, saturated. It's more healthier for your body. And we said the virgin coconut oil, and Nutiva, Nutiva, is a good one. And coconut oil is made a lot in Canada. And Nutiva is a good brand of coconut oil that you want to stir fry. Never deep fry with any oil. Stir fry. Heat things up with it. Low or medium heat. Then you got your olive oil. And I said it need to be unfiltered olive oil. Cold pressed, unfiltered, extra virgin olive oil. That's the only oil you need to be using. Unfiltered, cold pressed, extra virgin olive oil. And don't deep fry in it. You want to turn over grilled cheese or something like that, it's fine. Grilled toast or whatever. No deep frying. Because the more pressure, oil pressure you're putting on any kind of oil, the more chemical exchange we call oxidation going to be taking place. Avocado, we said, was another one, and there's a good brand called Chosen Brand avocados. They're very avocados can take a little high heat, low to medium heat, but don't deep fry on it. Avocados are excellent for you, and the more greener they are, the better they are for your body. You don't want avocados that are going to turn yellow. No, you want them dark green. They need to be dark green all the time, dark green oil, dark green avocados. You also got the pasteurized. It need to be pasteurized meat, pasteurized duck, pasteurized beef, pasteurized chicken. It need to be pasteurized pork. Your oil always need to be pasteurized when it comes to the saturated meats. That means they have given the animals time to go and eat the grass that they supposed to eat and roam around the field. They not feeding them all kind of other stuff that makes that oil more inflammable and toxic for your body. And remember, everything starts from inflammation in your body. And the inflammation not taken care of, it turns to infection. And it harms all the organs of your body. And if you want to use canola, just lightly heating grilled cheese or something, use the expeller press. Expeller press canola. Only the expeller press. Not for deep frying. But just turn it over some stir fry, anything like that. Expeller press canola oil. That means they have took out as many chemicals that they could out of the oil to get it fit enough for you to eat. There's also called lamb oil, which is saturated oil because it's the straight from the animal, and the saturated oil do not bend on the high heat like a lot of them do. Like the unsaturated, polyunsaturated, monounsaturated oils. The lamb oil, the natural oil from the lamb. And remember, you use a ceramic pan or pot, stainless steel ceramic pan or pot, the cast iron pan or pot to cook in. You shouldn't be cooking in nothing else. You got the bacon, you got the ground beef, oil. It makes its own oil. Remember, put it in one of these pans, cast iron, ceramic, or the stainless steel, and it makes its own oil. So when you cook another hamburger yourself, and you get some ground beef, put it in that pan. Put it in the right pan, cast iron, ceramic, or stainless steel. It makes its own oil. Don't put no more oil in it when you begin to fry. Virgin coconut oil, as we spoke, was a good oil to use, and it's saturated, as we brought out. You can use the oil, or you can use the coconut grain. It's going to melt eventually. You put it in the heat, and you can turn some stuff over, but don't deep fry it. Coconut oil is rich in what we call lauric acid. And lauric acid is an antimicrobial. Antimicrobial means it's going to stop the growth of any bacteria that's in that meat. So you need the antimicrobial that's in the coconut oil. And coconut oil is also anti-inflammatory, which is a good thing. So stay away anything that's elevated in omega-6, because it's going to produce more and more hexane chemicals when it's heated up in the oil. So we want to come to you to tell you what you can use more of. And that ghee is another one for high heat. GHEE that you can use for the cooking. It's a natural fat. So ghee, butter, coconut oil, the olive oil, the natural saturated meat fats. Avocado is on the borderline of saturated and unsaturated. It's only for the dressings, used for dressings. It's not to cook in. So, we love you all. We want you to have a healthy and long life.